Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to chat with Character AI. So let's go. First, you need to log in to Character AI and go to your homepage like this. And here you can see options to people to chat with. You can chat with famous people. You can chat with movie, TV stars. You can chat with anybody you like. So today I will chat with Wednesday Adams, and I actually asked her when her second movie will come, and she replied. So this is actually quite easy. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next video.